Most 56-foot sport yachts choose between speed and comfort. The Sunseeker Predator 55 does not, built by Sunseeker in Poole, England. The Predator 55 carries forward one of Sunseeker's longest-running model lines, engineered around twin pod drive propulsion and a Deep-Vee performance hull. Twin Volvo Penta IPS 950 pod drives deliver 1,450 horsepower combined. Top speed, 36 knots. Cruise at 25 knots for a range of 250 nautical miles on 476 gallons of fuel. 56 feet 3 inches overall, 16 feet 2 inches beam, 4 feet 10 inches draft. A single-level main deck runs from a full-beam 4-deck sun pad to a linear cockpit wet bar. The signature feature is a retractable glass and carbon fiber sunroof, gliding aft at the touch of a button to open the helm and saloon to open sky. A sweeping double-curved single-piece windshield keeps sightlines uninterrupted from cockpit to horizon. Low-level LED deck lighting and a fixed transom traverse connect port to starboard, even with the bathing platform lowered. 2 cabins standard, 3 optional. The full-beam owner's suite spans the width of the hull with dual wardrobes and a private ensuite. A forward guest cabin adds its own ensuite and increased headroom. Bottom line, the Predator 55 is a genuine 36-knot performance boat that does not sacrifice long-range comfort to get there. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.